Want to check your PF balance in seconds? Discover 5 super easy ways, no matter your device. From apps to SMS, we've got you covered with a quick step-by-step guide. Don't miss this. The Employees Provident Fund organization offers multiple ways for you to access your balance, whether you're using a smartphone, computer, or even a basic mobile phone. In this simple guide, we'll walk you through 5 easy and reliable methods to check your Employees Provident Fund balance anytime, anywhere. 1. Check Employees Provident Fund balance using the Employees Provident Fund organization portal. Visit the official Employees Provident Fund organization website. Click on Services and then select For Employees. Under the Services menu, click on Member Passbook. Log in using your universal account number, password, and CAPTCHA code. Once logged in, you can view or download your passbook showing monthly contributions and interest earned. Pro tip: ensure your universal account number is activated and linked with Aadhaar, permanent account number, and bank account to access this service. 2. Check Employees Provident Fund balance via short message service. No internet needed. If your universal account number is active and your Know Your Customer details, Aadhaar, permanent account number, bank account, are updated, you can get your Employees Provident Fund balance through a simple short message service. Open your phone's short message service application. Type the message, EPFO Universal Account Number. Send it to 773-829-9899. You'll receive a reply from Employees Provident Fund organization with your current Employees Provident Fund balance, latest contribution details, and universal account number information. Want the message in your local language? Just add a 3-letter language code at the end of the message. Examples: Hindi, TAM, Tamil, Marathi, Bengali, Canada, Telugu. Sample message: EPFO Universal Account Number HIN for Hindi response. 3. Check Employees Provident Fund balance using the Unified Mobile Application for New Age Governance app. The Unified Mobile Application for New Age Governance app gives you easy access to Employees Provident Fund organization services on your phone. You can check your Employees Provident Fund balance, download your passbook, and more from the app. Download the Unified Mobile Application for New Age Governance app from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Register with your mobile number and complete one-time password verification. On the home screen, tap on EPFO. Select Employee-Centric Services. Tap on View Passbook. Enter your universal account number to see your Employees Provident Fund balance and account details. 4. Check Employees Provident Fund balance via Employees Provident Fund Organization Member eSewa portal. The Member eSewa portal is your all-in-one dashboard to manage your Employees Provident Fund account. From checking your balance to downloading your passbook, everything is just a few clicks away. Go to the official portal. Log in using your universal account number and password. On the dashboard, click on the View tab in the top menu. Select Passbook to view your contribution history. You can also download or print the passbook for future reference. 5. Check Employees Provident Fund balance by giving a missed call. If your mobile number is linked to your universal account number and Know Your Customer is updated, you can check your Employees Provident Fund balance with a simple missed call. Dial 996-604-4425 from your registered mobile number. The call will disconnect automatically after a few rings. You'll receive a short message service with your latest Employees Provident Fund balance in a few seconds. Keeping an eye on your Employees Provident Fund balance is a smart way to stay in control of your retirement savings and track your employer's contributions. Whether you're planning ahead, applying for a loan, or just staying financially aware, these 5 simple methods make it easy to check your Employees Provident Fund balance anytime. If you found this video valuable, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, and set the bell icon to all for notifications. Feel free to leave a respectful comment. Vulgar or inappropriate comments will be blocked. See you in the next video.